when you first enter the editor, you'll be greeted with a transcript of your uploaded video. To get started editing, the first thing I usually do is assign my actors to the portion they speak in the transcript. Something pretty important to note is that due to things like motion, camera angles, cuts, and varying lighting, our face detector will occasionally create multiple actors for the same person. If this happens, don't worry, you can just click on the merge actors and merge them into one actor. So during the transcription process, our speech-to-text model links similarly sounding portions to speed up actor assignment, which allows you to do things like this. I know this first portion is spoken by the first actor, so I'll select him and then I'll click Assign All. And it's going to automatically assign all the other portions that sound just like that. So moving on to the second actor, I'm going to do the same thing here. Assign to all. And now I'm done with actor assignment. So now that we have our actors assigned to their portions, we're going to create a translated version of this transcript. So for this, let's just choose Fudge. If at any time you spot an error in either the original or translated transcript, you can easily modify either transcript by clicking on whatever text you want to edit. So this is supposed to say decent. I'm going to fix that and click out of here. So since I made an edit to the original transcript, I need to update the translated version. This can be done easily by clicking on this icon right here and then clicking on save. So moving on, we'll now assign/create voices for our actors in order to generate new audio to lip sync our video to. So when you go to handle voice assignment for a given actor, you'll be given 3 options. The first is automatic voice creation, which uses audio segments from your video to create a voice to use for generation. To get the best sounding output, we only recommend using this when you have over a minute of audio of that given actor speaking in the video. Your second option is using an existing voice you've already created elsewhere or at a different time on our platform. Lastly, you can choose to upload audio samples to create a new voice for your actor. In this, I'm going to use automatic voice creation. So I'm going to let that go. With that out of the way, we move on to generating audio for our portions. This can either be done all at once by clicking on the audio icon next to whatever translated language you have, or by selecting the audio icons next to each portion if you want to do it portion by portion. So I'm going to generate one of the audios. So if you run into an issue where you don't like how one of your audios sounds, you can easily regenerate that audio by clicking on the portion and then navigating over to the portion tab. So I don't really like how this one sounded, so I'm going to quickly regenerate that audio. Now, if this audio turns out to be worse, or you decide you want to go back to the first one, you can easily switch whenever active audio. Just click the button. So now that our audios are ready, the last step is selecting a lip sync model and then sending that shot off to generation. Here, I'm just going to use the existing deep sync too. If I generate video. I'm going to generate it, and I'm done.